Hi, I'm Dr. Carlos Valdez, founder and director of mercadotecniventas.com, marketing and sales. Our mission is to educate and inspire students, academics, and professionals in marketing and sales. We concentrate on generating innovative and practical content to help you to create value in your customers' life. Every week, we publish content on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Also in Apple Podcasts and Spotify. And of course, in our website, mercadotecniventas.com. Want more educational content? I invite you to visit our store where 90% of our content is free, open access. If you'd like to support us, you can purchase our ebook, The Red Manual for Marketing and Sales Coordinators 2025, or our course, B2B Sales Leadership's AI Tactics. You can also download our free reports, the 10 Key Trends for Marketing Directors 2025, the 10 Key Trends for Commercial Directors 2025, and our course, a mini course, and also report, AI in Marketing and Sales. All right, so the video audio blog title for this week, March 29 of 2025, is Functions of the Marketing and Sales Coordinator, a checklist. So the text goes like this. The Marketing and Sales Coordinator is a key role, especially in small and medium-sized enterprises. This professional is in charge of connecting strategy with action, aligning marketing initiatives with sales tactics to ensure tangible results. In this blog post, we're going to explore the key responsibilities of this position and how it can maximize its impact within the organization. The main responsibilities of the marketing and sales coordinators. Let's start with the responsibilities in the marketing side. First, identify the target market. Understand the characteristics, needs, and desires of your potential customers through segmentation and data analysis. Remember, you cannot try to reach everyone. That's a big mistake for small and mid-sized companies or any company. You need to identify your target market and then concentrate your resources toward that target market. Number two, conduct market research. If you say you are doing marketing and you're not doing a market research, you're not doing marketing. It's impossible. Marketing without research does not exist. It's just communication. All right. So to really do marketing, conduct market research, analyze trends, consumer behavior, and competitors to inform strategic decisions. Number three, define brand identity. Build a solid and differentiated image that connects emotional with the target audience. You need to be different than your competitors. The worst mistake in marketing is that you look the same, that you look very similar to your competitors. Wrong. You need to be unique. Number four, plan communication campaigns. Coordinate communication efforts in traditional and digital media to generate interest and desire for the brand. But remember, one voice, one brand, one image. Don't confuse your customer with multiple messages that it look like different companies. No, one voice, one brand, one image. Number five, optimize the marketing budget. Maximize the return of the investment by prioritizing high impact, low cost activities such as digital marketing or content strategies. And in our blog post of last week, we covered the mathematics of marketing and sales. We review key performance indicators that each marketing coordinator needs to apply. All right, so now let's talk about the responsibilities of the marketing and sales coordinators, but in the sales side. All right, number one, define a sales plan. You have your marketing plan, you need to have your sales plan. Set clear goals, strategies, and metrics such as conversion rates and revenue targets. Number two, implement personal selling tactics. Design strategies to interact directly with customers and close deals. It's not just a matter of communicate with your potential clients and clients digitally. You need to contact in person. You can use Zoom, you can use in-person meetings, but you need to have personal selling. Number three, manage sales teams if it's applicable. As we mentioned before, the marketing and sales coordinator normally is a small team or one person. But if you have you are the coordinator, I have a couple of persons in your team, then some of them can be part of your sales team. And for that, you need to recruit and select, hire the right talent for the sales team. Sales is a very special profession. It's not for everyone. It's only for those who want to serve others, want to help others, want to solve problems for others. Training and motivation. Ensure that salespeople are equipped with the necessary tools and knowledge. Supervision. Monitor individual and team performance. Incentive definition. Create a fair compensation structures that drive performance. Remember, sales is the only profession that is going to pay you by performance. All right, so now let's talk about the role of AI. Because you as a marketing and sales coordinator today, 2025, you need to be using AI. So the role of artificial intelligence in the coordinator's work. AI is transforming how marketing and sales coordinators optimize their daily activities. AI application in marketing and sales. Number one, advanced segmentation. Predictive analysis tools like HubSpot or Soho CRM help to identify customer data patterns to personalize strategies. Task automation. Platforms like Zapier, ActiveCampaign automate emails, report generation, and reminders for the sales team. Number three, performance analysis. Tools like Google Analytics and Tableau offer real-time dashboards to evaluate campaigns and sales. Number four, chatbots for immediate attention. Implementation bots like ChatGPT to interact with customers and solve questions in real time. And number five, large-scale personalization. Use AI to generate messages adapted to each customer behavior and needs, improving conversion rates. Practical recommendations for marketing and sales coordinators. Number one, set smart goals. Your goals need to be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Examples, increase sales by 15% in the next quarter. That's a SMART goal. Or capture 500 qualified leads per month. Number two, encourage communication between marketing and sales. Hold weekly meetings to share key metrics, feedback, and adjust strategies according to customer needs. And if you have a team, and I don't care about the size, if it's two team members, 3, 4, 5, you need to have weekly meetings with them. The number one problem in companies is communication. The lack of good communication within departments, within the managers, with the employees, and within the departments. Okay, number three, implementation of a centralized system. Use free or low-cost platforms like HubSpot, CRM, Soho CRM, or Pipedrive to manage leads, customers, and performance metrics in one place. Number four, continue training in trends and tools. Access free training on platforms like Google Digital Garage, Coursera, edX, specialized YouTube videos, TED Talks, and of course, mercadotecniaventas.com. And number five, regularly evaluate and adjust strategies. Use KPIs to measure the effectiveness of campaigns and sales activities. If you want to learn more about marketing and sales key performance indicators, review our blog post from the last week, The Mathematics of Marketing and Sales. Practical task for the coordinator. Number one, create an integration plan. Document how your marketing and sales efforts are going to work together to achieve common goals. Number two, communication templates. Design emails, sales scripts, and promotional materials with tools like Canva, the free version, for example, so you can communicate one brand, one voice, one image. Number three, monitor weekly progress. Review dashboards with key metrics such as generated leads, conversions, and customer satisfaction. Use platforms like Google Analytics, for example. Number four, automate reminders and follow-up. set up alerts with Zapier or automatic reminders in your CRM so the sales team does not miss an opportunity. And number 5, conduct quarterly evaluations, assess which strategies are working and which need adjustment based on solid data so you can adjust your marketing plan or your sales plan. In conclusion, the marketing and sales coordinator is the bridge between strategy and execution. In small enterprises, where these two functions often fall to a single person, this role requires a balance, adaptability, and proactivity. Integrating artificial intelligence tools, fostering collaboration, and prioritizing a data-driven approach will allow the coordinator to maximize impact on both clients and businesses' results. This blog post serves as a practical guide for this professional to successfully lead the marketing and sales areas. As we mentioned before, in the vast majority of small and medium-sized businesses, the marketing and sales team consists of one person, the marketing and sales coordinator, or a very small team led by the coordinator. Therefore, I recommend you to get our red manual for marketing and sales coordinators, where you're going to find practical guidance on the key points you should focus on in your role in 2025 to be successful, and how to integrate, of course, AI into all your processes as your marketing assistant. Available in our store at mercadotecniventas.com. All right, and to conclude, I want to remind you that in marketing and sales, we always need to generate value. Thank you for your time, and until next time.